said you need a G1 rin, Krez?
Yeah, for the senior Triple Crown, I need to win one more race.
Which you're not gonna win because of TMO Pro.
She wasn't even at that time, what?
Which you're not gonna win because of TMO Pro.
You weren't even there! None of you were!
Is black. Creeping black. Funny, right?
Yeah, sure, case gets...
Wow, it's almost schizophrenic to you. Hey! Hey! Never busted a trip, dude.
Please let it be the bird. Come on.
Why? You just wanted to be him because you're Mexican.
No, because it'll be a funny video, trust me.
And then we chose. That's Flash Joke. I came up with that one myself. An original joke, I suppose it's called.
Okay, ooh. Let me pocket my coffee real quick. Down to gas already. Great. Oh, but ill. I should have told you. Gross. Man. The hospital usually. Ooh, true gas! Ooh, boy. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, boy. I'm swimming in it. I'm swimming in the gas. Swimming in it. Swimming in it. Gotta do my workouts after this with my body. Oh, oh, ah. Oh, sorry. Breathing kinda. Oh, got a little painful there. Oh. Okay. Oh, God. Please don't die, bro. Please, not right now. I'm begging you, Neo. Do not die right now. Also, please let me downstairs. Oh, thank gosh you're alive.
Go. Don't even come. He's coming this way. He's going this way. He's pissed. I don't know how I got him pissed.
Oh my god,
I left the
bro.
battery.
Thanks a lot, man. And make for a great video, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm so happy.
But here,
I left the battery-
dun. I swear, I'm gonna end up dancing.
I left the battery downstairs.
Okay, I got like 2 so should be enough to take care of 1 generator at least. Man, I got plenty to do. Oh, I got 2 gas. I guess I'll take them all out. Where? Shit. Oh, John, oh, John. DJ, I was literally just about to say, here's hoping. I was hoping he was in this night, but guess not. That's fantastic. The generator. He's shot in the parking lot. I dropped my gas there. This generator needs everything, bro. Fuck. Organic battery. The other generator must be like damn near done. First floor, so it would be better for me to go back to looking upstairs. Why some saber, some apology. If the camera goes into the walls, guys. Sweet. Okay, we're back in business. Oh. Just need to safely. Bro, my Wi-Fi lag. It's like making so much of my movements exaggerated. Is?
No. There's a generator right here. I gotta put the battery.
Never mind. The boys hit the staircase.
I'm fucked. I had to use my soda. I'm fucked.
I left him upstairs. I used my baby. And the gases are here. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. That was so stupid of me, dude. That was so stupid. You didn't come upstairs. I would have. Alright, I need to get back to that chapter. I'm like, Ender one said that or that staircase. Neo! I got my gas again in the parking lot. I checked who was upstairs. I used my baby to get away. You're angry Mexican. You're angry Spanish. up, hurry up. I need to get back upstairs. Oh no, Neo fumbled. Yeah, Neo, don't fail. Grab the battery. Okay. Neo, if I could just grab the other battery, we need 2 more gas.
Fuck.
I just
Wait,
gotta
wait.
remember
Where's the other
what-
battery?
I just gotta remember where
I'm going down there.
I dropped
got
this.
that Jenny.
No, I
Wait, the 2 gases are
dropped it in the staircase. Did you?
They're outside. They're outside. They're outside. They're outside.
No, I already grabbed the ones from outside. He went the opposite direction. Anything in here? God, show fucking wait. Sorry. Oh, man. Grace downstairs. Okay. Okay, that's good. Confidence boost. He's like across the fucking way from me. Wait. Do it. God damn, this freaking fucking like okay, everything, just get downstairs. This is where my nerves get the best of me. Nerves. Just nerves. Take guts. These guts. These guts. What's good to see you guys think that? What's good to think? Do you guys think that, huh? What's guts? B plus and guts? B guts? Hmm? B and guts? B and guts. Gosh, I'm sorry. Oh, quiet, guys. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous. It's too quiet. It's too quiet right now. And I don't like being on the. Gosh, freak, relax. Oh god. Okay. Zig. Where was those bullets coming from? Completely across from me. It's not. Oh. Okay. That sounds like. Yeah, that sounds like it's across from me. Oh gosh, I just hope my butt isn't dead. I hope he's alive, bro. Hurry. Look. Shit.
You have the battery?
Here. No. I don't. He's in the courtyard right now.
Fuck. I need the 20 minutes to kick in so I can find the last item, which is the battery.
He's close. He's close. God, I'm bleeding. Oh no, I'm just hurt. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. Oh, I took some hard shots though. Oh, dude. No. Heck. I can afford a battery by myself. Oh god. be another battery somewhere. Check the basement, bro. I don't. Please. Oh, no. No. No, no, no. No. Oh, please. 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 God, I don't. God, oh my God. It's close. This will help. Fuck. Box protect me. To explain the defense against mortal wounds. Fuck. Oh shit! Oh, that's another gas can. I don't need that. Oh, sweet Mary, shelter. Oh, good. Was it battery? Fuck. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my God. No, please. My career can't yet. Not yet. Not like this. Career can't end like this. Oh God, my career can't end like this. Please. Oh gosh. I'm done for. Oh my God, I'm so done for. This is how it ends. My show's leading out. presidents we got down.